Hello, I'm Tim McCarty, Senior Vice President of Safety and Risk Consulting. Fire extinguishers. You're required to have them in your facilities and on your job sites, and they're there to do a very specific job. To put out the fire when it's small and its incipient stage before it becomes too large. But if your fire extinguishers aren't properly maintained, they can't do that job. There's an annual inspection that all fire extinguishers need to have, and that's usually performed by an outside contractor. They put the tag on it. But your employees also need to be inspecting that extinguisher on a monthly basis. If you flip the tag over, you'll see a place to initial and date that inspection. But what should they be looking for? First, is it in place, where it's supposed to be, under the sign, on a hook, ready to go? Many times extinguishers get moved, placed on the floor, or worse, used as a doorstop. And if the extinguisher isn't where it needs to be, it won't do us much good in the event of an emergency. When we look at the extinguisher, there's a few things we need to look for. First, is the pin through the handle and the seal in place? Is the gauge in the green? And is there any residue on the end of the hose? Any of those can indicate that the fire extinguisher has been used and just placed back on the hook, but again, not usable. Having an inspection checklist and even a location list of the extinguishers can help employees perform this important task of making sure your fire extinguishers are ready to go if needed. I hope you found this information on fire extinguishers helpful, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our team.